So for consumers in New Zealand, GST is simple. The name says it all. Goods and service tax. All goods and services consumed in New Zealand are taxed at 15%. If you buy an apple at $1.15, that means that the person who sold the apple gets to keep $1 and they send 15 cents to the government. It's taken care of for you. So as a consumer in New Zealand, you don't have to worry about it. The merchant who's selling takes care of it all. If you are buying or selling, you don't have to worry about GST either, because you're probably not GST registered, because I doubt you're selling 60,000 bucks or more worth of stuff in a year. If you are, well then you've got a GST register, and it's a problem. But most people don't, so you don't have to worry about it. So if you're selling something on Facebook Marketplace, don't worry about GST. It's not a problem. You don't have to worry about it. If you're buying, you don't have to worry about it either, because regardless or not whether it's on the price, all you have to worry about is the amount that is told to you. Things get a little bit more complicated in contracts where prices are GST inclusive, exclusive, and all of this sort of thing. That's when you've got to think about it a little bit more. But honestly, it's no real big deal. Our system is also really simple in New Zealand because we don't have categories of exceptions, at least right now, for things like fresh fruit and vegetables, blah, 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 blah. There are some minor exceptions, and there are more complications around things like imported goods, digital goods and services, but overall the picture for a consumer is really simple when it comes to GST.